Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset the pedestal down here, like factory reset it. This might be useful if you're having problems with this connecting to Wi-Fi, like I am at the moment. So what we have to do is turn it around, and we have a control button down here. We need to first of all unplug this from power. So unplugging it now, and I'm going to press and hold the control button. I'm still holding it in, and now I'm going to reconnect it to power, and I'm going to keep holding this. After about 5 seconds or so, you will see the indicator here. So I'm still holding it. And there you go. Can you see we're now flashing? That should have now reset. We can let go. That should have reset this now. Also, make sure that this is connected before you do any of it. This Bose Link connector. So now we're going to bring it back round here. And it's saying, please wait. Well, it was saying, please wait. Now I'm just going to turn it on. And you've got to wait about 45 seconds to a minute for this to turn itself on again. So if I was to go here now, can you see it's giving me the option for AM, CD, but I can't go to Wi-Fi. So just leave it for about 45 seconds. And now about 45 seconds is up, so I'm going to hit the Wi-Fi here, and you will see now it says Soundtouch not configured because it's reset itself. So that's it, that's resetting the pedestal on your Bose sound system. Thanks for watching.